Chapter 18 Neural Control and Coordination. Introduction part. As you know, the functions of the organ systems in your body must be coordinated to maintain homeostasis. Coordination is the process through which two or more organs interact and complement the functions of one another. For example, when we do physical exercises, the energy demand is increased for maintaining and increased muscular activity. The supply of oxygen is also increased. The increased supply of oxygen necessitates an increase in the rate of respiration, heartbeat, and increased blood flow through blood vessels. When physical exercise is stopped, the activities of nerves, lungs, heart, and kidney gradually return to their normal condition. Thus, the function of muscles, lungs, heart, blood vessels, kidney, and other organs are coordinated while performing physical exercises. In your body, the neural system and the endocrine system jointly coordinate and integrate all the activities of the organ so that the function is in a synchronized fashion. The neural system provides an organized network of point-to-point connection for a quick coordination. The endocrine system provides chemical integration through hormones. In this chapter, you will learn about the neural system of human, mechanisms of neural coordination like transmissions of nerve impulse conduction across a synapse. Thank you.